Ho, ho, ho.
Are you a star? You're a superstar. TRV, searching for
Hey,
stars.
don't touch that dial. You're watching Top Ring Videos. I'm Crystal Cruz. This channel serving up cool vibes and Yule tides.
Welcome to the New Year's Eve Ball Drop, hosted by Ann Dearson Cooper and Katy Perry.
Joining us for the countdown, Meowly Cyrus.
Kevin Bacon, Piggy Marley,
And Jason Statham.
Jamie Actual Fox stole the show. Chew. Lion Seacrest is here, and who's he with? Oh look, it's Lion Reynolds.
Gotta wonder if Mick Jaguar's gonna show.
Geese Witherspoon, Ryan Gosling, Tom Hanks and their families all flew in to ring in the new year. Supermodel Spidey Klum is here, along with Hen Affleck and Jennifer Lopez.
And lastly, look who just flew in. It's Jimmy Falcon.
Happy holidays, YouTube bears! Welcome back to my channel. I'm on the naughty list this year, and here's why. Check out these pranks on my neighbors that'll have you saying, ho ho, oh no! Boom! Kablam! Take that! Booyah! Make sure to smash those like and subscribe buttons. And don't forget to leave those holiday leftovers in the trash where I can find them.
Ahead of the holidays, let's see who delivers the fastest. Who's the total package?
Let's meet Angelo, Kyle, and Jeremy.
Angelo's having a rough time. He's run into double trouble.
Yeah, you ran into the door, dude.
Kyle's off to a great start. Will his dance moves be fast enough to take him to the finish line? Jeremy looks like he could take the lead, but oh no, there's been a bear scare.
The bear. Back away.
He puts his hands up and the bear turns away. Jeremy safely delivers Josh's package.
If it were me, I probably would have just thrown it over the gate and gone back to the truck.
Wait, there's been a surprise late entry.
Here comes Gypsy. She retrieves the mail and delivers the win.
She loves the mail lady, and the mail lady loves her.
Congratulations, Gypsy. You are the total package.
Welcome to Santa's Next Helper. Today's contestants are auditioning for that high-profile role in the North Pole. Up first, Randy Reindeer.
Let's see if he's got what it takes to be Santa's next helper. Okay, if you're just gonna stand there, that's a no.
It's a no.
3 big red no's. Sorry, Randy.
Moving on, Rob wants to spray Santa's sleigh.
Hey, Rob's doing great. Oh no!
No.
Come on back next year, Rob.
How could I have missed that part? Because before I started power washing, I told myself, don't fall in the pool.
Our last hope, brothers Bennett and Clayton.
It's a yes for me.
Oh, that's a yes for me.
You two are going to the North Pole.
You guys are Santa's Next Helpers.
My heart melted. It was a special moment that I know that they often share, but I just don't always get to see it.
Share this video with your friends and spread some holiday cheer. And send your clips to stories@ring.com.